Dear brothers and sisters, do you know if you help animals, your sin will be forgiven? Yes, it is stated in Bukhari, hadith number 8.38. One of the Sahabi came and he mentioned that he was going through a long walk and he was very thirsty. Then he found a well, so he went down, then he took the water out and he drank. While he was going, then he found a dog lying on the ground, very thirsty. So he went down to the well again, and in his shoes he brought the water and put it on the dog's mouth, and dog felt much better. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loved this act and he forgave the sin of that companion. The other companion asked, "O Prophet of Allah, our sins are forgiven for just helping the animals?" The Prophet ﷺ said, "Yes, there is a reward for serving any animal living being." Dear brothers and sisters, can you imagine, for helping a dog, Allah is forgiving the sin. And if you help the ambassador of Allah, which is the human being, if you help the ambassador of Allah, Allah will reward you so much. So please look around you, how many people need your help, so you can help them, and at the same time you can get your sin forgiven and totally wiped out. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin